Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Resource 2023. As we've just seen in the video, teamwork really is the key word here.
That will require an expanded and optimized electricity grid that takes Europe to net zero.
At this year's Resource Conference, we bring you the latest trends and insights on corporate renewable procurement. But it also means we want to talk about the challenges, why it's really hard to move faster.
Companies are sourcing renewable electricity at record levels.
All of you here are energy transition heroes.
How to reduce the CO2 emission that all the manufacturing processes produces.
We estimate we'll avoid 21.6 million metric tons of carbon emissions annually.
Thanks to everyone who made this possible and made it possible to have the biggest resource event ever with 1,400 participants, 350 buyers. So thanks a lot to the whole team. Great work.